Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. Let's see what they have for severe weather here. They have a level 2 in parts of Germany, Belgium, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg, and this level 1 all the way from the Pyrenees to northern Germany. And the yellow areas are like general risk of thunderstorm. So let's see what they say. A level 2 was issued across far northeastern France into Benelux and far northwestern Germany, mainly for damaging wind gusts. And Benelux, like Belgium, Luxembourg, and, and a part of the Netherlands. So let's see. A level 1 surrounds that risk for similar hazards but with lower probabilities. An isolated tornado is also possible along the cold front over Belgium, the Netherlands. In addition, a few heavy rain and large hail events are forecast. So be careful today in those areas. And let's put this in Dutch here so they can understand from Belgium and the Netherlands. So if you're watching from there, take a look here. Now in French here, if you're watching from France or you speak French, let's see. Now in German, if you're watching from Germany, let's see. Good. And you can pause to read if you want. So let's see here if there's something important. And they say an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm risk exists along the Alps, Bavarian forest during the evening hours for heavy rain and hail. So there's some other areas here. Let's see. Eastern Nordic states, some storms forecast too, and Western Russia choose some storms. So let's see here the general forecast. So we have this low pressure there near the UK, bringing all that rain to the UK, parts of northern France, and some islands there. So let's see, the rain will continue there, and we start getting these storms this afternoon, those very strong storms there going to Germany later, and by tomorrow affecting parts of Poland and Czechia and Sweden there, and Norway with more heavy rain. Tomorrow evening we might get some other strong ones in Poland, and by Thursday more strong storms in Eastern Europe. So, but let's discuss about today. We will check those days later. So this is the high resolution model for today here. So this morning and about noon we already have lots of rain in the UK, some storms and rain in France, and then as we get too early this afternoon, these storms keep evolving there in France. But take a look this afternoon about 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So these storms turn very strong into Belgium there. About 4 o'clock in the afternoon, very strong storms crossing Belgium and the Netherlands and France as well. So these storms might be dangerous. About 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, still very strong storms. 7 o'clock, going to Germany now. About 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and this is tomorrow, right? So let's see for southern France. We get those storms in the north, but about 4 o'clock we might get a storm or two there in the Pyrenees of France. So not exact in the Pyrenees, but in that general area we might get some storms there, and even some strong ones by 5 and 6 o'clock there. So these storms might continue throughout areas of central southern France. Yeah, and then for Wednesday, tomorrow, we still might get some storms in France there, but it will be mainly in Eastern Europe. But we might get a lot of scattered storms in Germany for tomorrow, and into Austria too, some stronger ones. tomorrow evening, so be aware. And let's see here what else. Maybe for Eastern Europe here from the Euro. So let's see. It shows the storms in France and the Netherlands there in Belgium, and then it also shows maybe some storms in Turkey, in Russia, in other areas, maybe in Greece too. But let's see here. Wait. Here Tuesday. So this afternoon it's showing there maybe a storm or two in Poland and some showers in Greece there, some storms in Turkey, but it doesn't show anything big for the Balkans. Maybe some showers or a storm or two in some areas. So let's see the rainfall accumulation. So for today, so this is until tomorrow, shows more in the ocean there in the UK and in France, Germany and Belgium there in the Netherlands. For today and tomorrow, shows more in the northern UK, by tomorrow northern Scotland, and then between tomorrow, Thursday and everything, more rain in parts of Sweden and Norway, especially tomorrow afternoon. It shows more there. And then by Thursday shows more in Poland, parts of Eastern Europe. By Friday too. Look at this. This is Thursday there. So as we go into Friday, lots more accumulation in Central Europe there in the Alps, in other areas, and in Poland too. But Southeastern Europe is remaining quiet for now. Sunday, next Monday, yes. So this is until next Wednesday, the 17th. Might look like this, the rain accumulation. So let's see here some temperatures for today, and here let's see. So we'll check the maximum temperatures. So let's see. Here, let's see around this time here for Italy today. Some areas into the 30s, and some areas further south like 38, 34 in the Balkans there, especially in Turkey like 41 in some areas, in the Balkans into the 30s. Let's see, 30s in Hungary, Slovakia into the 30s and maybe 20s in some areas, Poland in the 30s and 20s, Germany there where we might get where we will get the storms will be a little bit cooler. In the Alps a little bit cooler, in parts of Spain around 35, even 36 in some areas, and southern Spain around 36, 34 in the 30s, Portugal in the 20s, and maybe 30s like in the western, southwestern areas. Sardinia around 35, it might get a little bit higher in some areas. And let's see, in the east there, in Azerbaijan into the 30s, especially in the Middle East into the 40s. Let's see, in Eastern Europe, in Russia there, high into the 30s. And let's see, in Norway, Sweden a little bit cooler, only the 20s, and like 18, 16, 15, and 18, 16, yeah, and like 10, 12 further north. In the UK, around 19, 18, 14. In some areas a little bit warmer into 22, but yeah, northern Spain a little bit cooler. Yeah, this is for today. So let's see, a little bit earlier in the afternoon, it shows like those general same temperatures. 30s, high into the 30s in some areas. Italy too, generally the same. 34 there in some areas. Yeah, this is generally it for today. Let's see here. What else? There's this radar here, and so this is it, I think. Be careful with the storms today. They're in Germany, Belgium, France, and the Netherlands, and stay safe.